I guess hello everyone. Uh, I have been asked a few times about my lighters, the lighters that I use. About these are brass. Uh, really, really nice, really nice. I've had a few of them, quite a few of them. Uh, I give a couple uh, to some friends, and I thought I'd let you know a little bit about them. They are Zippos. Um, this one that you see I have posted in my pictures all the time is from 1999. Uh, I use it a lot here at the house. The other one that I use is the Zippo. It has the pipe lighter insert. Makes it nice. Makes it nice. I use that. I carry that one in my pocket. Carry that one in my pocket. But let me set this down. Have a couple of the other ones. These has never been used. This one's from '98. And I have the silver one. It's never been used. It's brand new. Still brand new. So's the gold one, or the brass one. But in case you didn't know, I wanted to tell you a little something about them. If you have a lighter, you want to look at, you can look at them up online at Go to Zippo, and it'll tell you it has the codes to look at them. The pipe lighter insert one. Oh, you see the 19 there. This is from 2019. That's when it was produced. In 2001, they changed over from Roman numerals to our regular numbers to date. The last time they done that was in 1986. They changed over from all the lines being on the bottom of them. One line, two lines, stuff like that. Three lines. 1986 they changed over. During the year they changed over and went to the Roman numerals. On this one that I was telling you that I use all the time, this one, I don't know if you can see it. See on this corner right here, it's got, where's it at? I don't know if you can make it out. The X and the V, that means it's from 1999. The 98 has the X and the 1V, the X and the I and the V. That's how you can tell the year of your Zippos. You see the gum bands on here. I usually have rubber bands, but this was a tie out of my beard, and my gum bands broke. So I wrapped that around there. I like gum bands better because when I stick it in my pocket, the gum bands help it stay in my pocket. And it gives me something to hold on to. And it tightens up on around that casing there, where it helps keep that sealed a little bit better. A lot of people talks about them, and I'm no expert by any means. By any means, I don't know jack diddly, but they always want to put in these inserts in the bottom of them and stuff like that. Uh, the only thing I can say is I do use the bacon cotton. Now, usually a day and a half or something like that with the regular cotton, you'll get it, and then you'll see the flames start diminishing a little bit. But with this bacon cotton, this is the 4th day that I've used it, and it's still you see it's a little weak to start up with, but then it picks up. But the bacon cotton does help. Where most of your lossage is coming from, in my opinion, is from right there, from the wick. That's where the vapors and everything goes to, or comes from. So anyway, just wanted to share that. I hope it's interesting for you. Check them out. Maybe you have some old lighters. Maybe your lighter is really old. I have a couple of the old ones. 79, I think is probably the oldest one I have. I don't use it no more. It gets put up, you know. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, I didn't tell you. My cob, smoking my Townhill to show off my name. Haha. As if you don't know, or maybe you don't. For the Paladin's Codger Challenge 2025, I'm really liking this blend. I better like it. I got a pound of it, or not a pound now, but I made a pound. Anyway, you all have your good one. Be safe. Be well. I'm Donnie. I'm the Hillbilly Piper. Bye now.